Is it just me, or was everyone super enthusiastic about Christmas really early this year? I don't know if it's because Thanksgiving is early or it just got cold kind of quickly, but the Christmas spirit abounds. But my little nod to Christmas that I get to do right now with you is open my Winter FabFitFun Box. It's got this cute little Christmas decoration on the outside. I have no idea what's in here, so it feels like Christmas. It always feels like Christmas when these boxes arrive. If you're new to FabFitFun, it is a 4 times a year subscription box. It is $49.99 and the value inside is always over 200 bucks. It's full-size stuff, so you're not getting these little samples. It is awesome. It always has a good variety in there of fitness, beauty, lifestyle. I've gotten some great products over the years with this box. So if you're new and want to sign up, this is a great time of year, by the way, to buy one for yourself or buy one as a gift. Use my promo code SMALLTHINGS10 to get 10 bucks off your first box. So I'm going to open up and show you what's inside my Winter FabFitFun box. I partnered with FabFitFun for this video. All right, let's get into this. So always right on top is some coupons and then a little magazine that has more information about what is in the box. I always set this aside because I don't want to see what's in the box before I open it and actually see it with my eyes. So I'm gonna rip into it here. Ooh, this is so fun. First thing that catches my eye that sounds so good is this coconut sugar Sea Whip body cream. I just ran out of my body cream this morning, just this morning. So coconut sugar sounds good. I've got a little protective seal in there, but it is worth ripping into to smell. Coconut I usually think of summertime, but I also just like that it's a warm scent. I don't like really strong floral scents. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. So this is just in time because I ran out of my lotion earlier. That's exciting. Okay, the next thing that's catching my eye is this Moroccan Argan oil intense hair care. Okay, I use Moroccan oil on my hair. This is a treatment mask for dry or damaged hair, which mine is both of those things. Argan oil is a really good lightweight oil. It doesn't feel greasy on your hair. My mom gave me a hot oil hair treatment when I was like middle school, and it was just warmed up oil dumped all over my head, and it made my hair so dang greasy for days. Argan oil does not do that. It is softening and nourishing to the hair, especially if you have really dry hair, but it doesn't leave this like greasy feeling residue. So this is a treatment mask. I'm excited about this. I haven't used this brand before. This is not the Moroccan oil brand, but it is made with pure argan oil. I'm seeing here another type of mask. This is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. This is the kind of thing you can apply once or twice a week, rinse after 3 to 5 minutes, or leave on all night. So it could kind of be like a night cream. A lot of times hydrating face masks will say that. If you read the instructions, it'll say like either treat it like a regular face mask that you rinse off, or wear it all night. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing here is, what is this? Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, this is a jewelry travel case. It's so compact. I thought it was like some kind of iPad case, but no. You can put your earrings in here. That's what that's for. If you've ever seen that before, you just unclip it here, and then you can put your stud earrings so they don't get lost. Studs always get lost because I'll just throw them in a bag. So that's perfect. A little zip pouch here, and then a protective sheet between, and then you can put necklaces or bracelets here, and also earrings, like hoop earrings on this strip as well. This is great. Perfect for traveling if you're doing any traveling this winter, and I love how thin it is. I have a couple travel jewelry boxes that are like a box shape, which I like, but this is great just to throw if you're going away for the weekend or something. Very cool. I'm excited about that. Next up I'm seeing is this Thrive Cosmetics. I've used a few of their products before. This is the Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick with ring light technology. I wonder what that means. I use a ring light when I film. Not today. I'm using the sun behind the clouds today. But this looks like a really pretty highlighter. Oh yeah, that is pretty. Can you see that there? What I like about it is it's brightening, but I'm not seeing like any glitter or shimmer. So this would be perfect for your inner corners. If you want to brighten up your eyes, you could use it under your brow bone and then blend it out a little bit. Geez, that would just be a pretty eyeshadow on its own. So that's fun to have. So this is the cool thing about this box. If you haven't gotten one of these before, this is a full size. So another eye product I'm seeing here is an eyeshadow palette. I've gotten some really beautiful makeup in these FabFitFun boxes. This is by Pure. Oh, this is a pretty eyeshadow palette. Let me pull this off so that doesn't reflect. But these are great warm hues. Look at that. Those are beautiful. It smells so good. Eyeshadow palettes didn't used to smell good, but the last couple years they've started putting this nice warm vanilla smell in some of them, which is such a nice touch. Beautiful shades for fall and winter. Great mattes here. It looks like 4 mattes and then about 5 shimmery shades. So that'll get you through pretty much any makeup look you want. If you have dry skin like me, hyaluronic acid is your friend in the winter. I am sort of new to this product. You can find this acid in a variety of moisturizers, but the point is it's supposed to sink really deep into your skin and hold a lot of its weight in water, so it keeps your skin really hydrated. I've actually heard, just a tip, if you apply a moisturizer that has hyaluronic acid in it with wet fingertips or put it on top of kind of damp skin, it'll pull that moisture right into your skin. So when I saw hyaluronic acid on these eye masks, I was like, yeah, this is right for me. Any moisture is important for my skin. It just feels tight and dry all winter long. I haven't used this brand before, but these are just easy little eye patches that you put on and leave on for about 10 to 15 minutes. So that's great. All right, I've got 2 more products here. These are, oh, you know what these are? For working out. These are kind of like something you'd put under your feet if you're doing mountain climbers or something, but if you don't know what I'm talking about, they kind of help your feet or your hands slide for you to do core exercises, a variety of things. Leg exercises are kind of the whole deal, I guess. Home strength training. You could use a couple of these. So there's a website on here for you to see how to use these with some workouts. brookburkebody.vhx.tv. So I will check those out. Getting to the gym is proving difficult with all my kids and my work schedule, so home workouts are right up my alley, so I'm excited to have some of those. And then the last thing I'm seeing here is a Mark & Graham. Okay, this could be a blanket scarf. I need some more space here. I love that neutral color. This is really beautiful. So you could certainly treat this like a throw, or if you like a really huge blanket scarf, you could probably tie it on just right or use it as sort of a shawl if you just need a little bit of extra warmth. So that was my Winter FabFitFun Box. A lot of good products. Geez, I'm so excited about so many of them. If you haven't tried this before, use my code, like I said at the beginning, smallthings10 to get $10 off your first box.